I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So we are doing one last Let's Talk new releases before the end of the year, so we can see what new releases we can look forward to in the new year. If you guys want to know what's coming out or what's already out because I might be late, then let's go. Okay, so first thing I see, Colored Rain has a botanical eyeshadow palette and Rose Garden pressed pigment palette from their new botanical collection launching today, 12/20. Okay, so I gotta go turn off my heat. Just loud and annoying for no reason. Okay, so looking at the two palettes, I like the swatches. Like seeing the swatches, I'm like, ooh, okay, it's looking rich. I'm liking the colors in it. Then I look at the actual palettes, how the two come with the two different colors in them. But I buy it. But I buy it just looking at the palettes themselves? No. The swatches have me a tad bit intrigued, but it's still a no. Okay, Milani, new arrivals. There's a eye, cheek, and face palette. The lip plumper, wait a minute, these lip products at the bottom, the four on the left side, they look like, you know, like the beauty supply store type of glosses. That has me a little intrigued. The actual, like lip stick, lip gloss, whatever those are. What are those? Lip oils? No. What are those? Oh, those are the lip plumpers. Whatever those are on the right, I like the colors, but would I pick any up? No. So I think the only thing I would check out are those, I guess, lip oils on the left side. Ooh, now what is this? Wait a minute, it might have my first. Okay, I'm kind of intrigued. Available now. NYX Cosmetics new Power Grip Primer is here. Power Grip Primer is a gel-based primer with ultra strong makeup gripping power and hyaluronic acid to add moisture. Price is $10. Yeah, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna buy it. Now, they did have that, what, jelly, dew jelly pop something primer that was supposed to be like a Milk Hydro Grip dupe. I'm wondering if this is like another try at that, because that's what it's giving. It's giving like a Milk Hydro Grip. But either way, I'm gonna pick this up, so yeah, I'm gonna buy that. I actually got tagged in this one, which I have not been tagged in anything that this brand has launched. I wanna say since like maybe early 2020, because they did launch bronzers that people were tagging me in testing it out. But Tatcha Cosmetics has once again expanded their Shape Tape fam. Meet their new Shape Tape Cloud Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 15 coming soon. This is a transfer resistant formula that delivers up to 24 hours of skin hydration, plus the soft focus effect and tape technology smooths and blurs imperfections for your dreamiest looking skin ever. This is honestly something I would only pick up if you guys wanted to see a video on it. That is literally the only reason. Like looking at it myself, like Shanine the shopper, would I be? No, I would not. But you know, Shanine the creator that has to try things out because people want to know before they buy. Would she get it? If you guys want to see a video on it, I guess let me know in the comments down below. Okay, available now. Tatcha's new texture. Oh, I saw this. Maybe I saw it on my timeline from Tasha's own post, but their new Texture Tonic AHA liquid exfoliating treatment has arrived. It's a liquid exfoliating treatment of fruit HAAs, niacinamide, Japanese mugwort, and wild rose that visibly evens skin tone and texture for calm, smooth skin. Price is $59. I want it. I just got that, what is it? It's like an overnight serum thingy, whatever, from Tatcha. Yes, I want this. I've usually had no issues with any Tatcha skin products that I've tried out. Yeah, I'd buy this. Okay, wait a minute. Look at this. Okay, available now. Fresh Beauty just launched their new Floral Recovery Redness Reducing Overnight Mask. This is an overnight face mask that is clinically proven to calm signs of sensitivity, redness, uneven tone, and rough texture. Price is $68. No. I mean, the texture part has me a little intrigued, but no. Now come on now. We can't go into 2022 not expecting at least 3 launches coming from Colourpop, right? And it wouldn't be this type of video if I didn't have a new Colourpop launch to talk about. So, new from Colourpop Cosmetics, meet their first ever all matte mega palette, Gone Matte, and their new and improved Nourishing Blotted Lip. Both are launching this Thursday, 12/16 at 10 a.m. Okay. Gone Matte has a mix of 30 warm and cool tone shades for all your essential looks. Their blotted lips, delivers a sheer matte coverage for a blurred focus look. No, neutral palette, and the colors that are in it, no. The blotted lips, let's just move on. Available now, Too Faced new Too Femme collection has launched. There's a Too Femme blush. You see those swatches? Let me keep going. Too Femme Hardcore lipstick in 6 shades. No. Better Than Sex with new packaging on it. Okay, let me just, okay. What is this? Drunk Elephant's new vegan retinol, launching January 4th. To answer your skin smoothing prayers, it brightens and refines skin with a blend of vegan retinol, virgin marula oil. Okay, does their price? No. I'm intrigued. I know like Drunk Elephant had its moments. Wait, no, that was Sunday Riley? Or was it Drunk Elephant? Maybe it was both. Wasn't one of them like they were making employees write reviews on the products? I don't remember who it was. But I like the baby facial from Drunk Elephant. That's probably like the only thing I tried from them that I like really liked. But I'm still intrigued on this one because I like a good oil at night. One that doesn't leave me looking and feeling oily. So I might check this out. Oh, okay, well this is cute packaging. I knew it had to be Glam Light. Available now, Icy Glam Light collection. Collection includes the Icy Cherry palette, Blue Raspberry palette, lip gloss sets. Anything else? Okay, and the full collection is $69. They are going to kill it when it comes to packaging. The actual colors inside though are also kind of giving like that all kind of red but a little pink palette in it. And then I know every time I talk about this company I say like, yeah, I want to try, and then I never do. I never remember to. That's the thing. But this one has me. But I buy it, and that blue is like perfect for winter right now. The red, you know, Valentine's Day, like all that sweet stuff is coming. Listen, how much are the palettes individually? $25. And I feel like their prices aren't ever really like that outrageous. Would I buy it? Yes, I would. Will I, and will you see it in a future video if I remember to? Someone's got to remind me in the comments down below or something. Closer look at Rare Beauty's new spring collection launching on 12/25. I think I saw like mention of this. Warm Wishes Effortless Bronzer Stick. Okay. Always an Optimist Soft Radiance Setting Powder. Always an Optimist Powder Brush. Am I intrigued? Yes, I am. They keep sending... Like I keep telling brands, you know, I live in a different place now, so can you send the stuff there? But they don't. So I think I have a package, or I'll get a package on this because I am on their PR. If not, would I still check any of this out myself? Yes, I would. I like pretty much everything that I've tried from Rare Beauty. I know the foundation, the concealer, stuff like that. But other than that, everything else like the blushes, the primer, all that stuff I like from them. Their mascara, you know, y'all know I'm not big on mascara at all, but if you're looking for a mascara to check out from Sephora, I definitely recommend that one. So am I intrigued about what this would be giving? Yes, I would, because the brand gives very much so like, you know, your skin but better. But if you want to do the whole like beat, full face, all that, you can. So yeah, I'm checking this out regardless. Okay, new collab, Pat McGrath and Bridgerton. Is that a show? Yes, I know it's on Netflix, something like that. Y'all know I always watch things like 10 years after everyone else watches it, so maybe I'll watch it at some point. But I know, like, I've heard people talking about it, so I know it's on Netflix. Limited edition collection. It includes, what is this? Highlighter, pastel pink satin matte. Oh, are these all highlighters? Oh, okay. First blush. It looks like highlighters and blush, but no. It looks very cool tone. The colors in it are interesting. So, okay, new from Youth to the People, a lot of skincare is coming out. Meet their triple peptide cactus oasis serum launching at Sephora on 12/14. This is a potent triple peptide infused hyaluronic acid serum that instantly plumps, deeply hydrates, and visibly firms to support skin's bouncy, youthful, long game. No, have I tried anything from them? I don't think I have. Maybe that's why I'm just quickly like, no, but no. I already bought this, so will I buy it? Yes. Kayali's, but it's Kayali, so I feel like y'all should have known I was gonna get this. New Eden Juicy Apple. Like I said, I already bought it. I'm doing a video on a collective haul with all my thoughts and opinions, stuff like that. But if you can't wait for that video, go get it, okay? Okay, available now. NYX Cosmetics did a super drop of new face products. What's available? Bear With Me Concealer Serum, which I tried in some video. I think trying drugstore products video. I tried that already. Plump Finish Setting Spray. Plump Right Back Primer and Serum. Wait, which one of them? Wait, okay, yeah. Plump Right Back. Oh, wait, no, I said that already. Wait a minute. 20 plumps in this thing, okay? Plump Right Back Silicone Blender Applicator. This is Juice Gloss, Epic Smoke Liner. Yeah, I tested all out. Y'all know NYX, again, is one of my favorite drugstore brands. I tried out the concealer. I believe I liked it. I think. I don't remember. I gotta try it again. But the setting spray and the glosses, yeah, I definitely want to try. I think I saw Jackie doing a video testing out those glosses. Yeah, I want to. And maybe the eyeliner. Cause I don't know, I've been on a I want to try eyeliner thing lately. I don't know, even though I haven't been wearing it, but I want to check it out. So yeah, I'm gonna check some of those stuff out, some of that stuff. New from Fenty Beauty, meet their Liquid Kilowatt, a liquid version of their Kilowatt highlighter, dropping on 12/10. No, y'all know I don't like highlighter. Fenty's not gonna make me start like, well, not I don't like, but I don't wear highlighter anymore. Fenty wasn't gonna start making me wear highlighter again. The colors look pretty, you know, for people who do wear it. And I'm pretty sure you could probably use it as like, you know, body highlighter as well, but it's just, the product itself is just not for me. Also new from Fenty, but this is Fenty Skin. Meet their Pre-Show Glow Instant Retexturizing AHA Treatment and Reusable Applicator, launching on 12/10. This powerful duo helps transform skin by smoothing and refining the look of pores, brightening dark spots and evening texture over time. Price is $40. I saw this and I was intrigued, but I think I'm gonna have to let like other people like fully, you know, get a chance to test it out, then circle back, let me know how it's going, because I haven't really been that big on, okay, well, I haven't been big on like face skincare from Fenty Skin. You know, I tried the cleanser, the SPF on both of them, but that body butter, no, that's a body butter. Key Souls is a body bomb. The body butter from Fenty Skin, top tier. They have a hand mask. Mind you, I want to keep saying hand cream. It's a hand mask. Absolutely recommend. Put that on like right before you go to bed. You wake up, your hands are good to go. So those two things, like, I ride hard for when it comes to Fenty Skin, but like the other stuff, I don't know. So if you've tried it, let me know and then we'll see. Okay, and the last thing is, again, a skincare product. Y'all see a theme here. It's from Lineage, their new BTS and Amore Pacific limited edition, Permission to Dance on Stage tour. This is a long, like, come on now, lip sleeping, like all that for a lip sleeping mask in Gummy Bear has arrived. It is $24. So I'm assuming it's just like the regular lip sleeping mask, but this is like a BTS collaboration or something. Yes, I don't know. But I have the original, like the pink one, and I like that one. So I guess, you know, if you want this purple version, I would recommend the lip sleeping mask, but that's what this is. Okay, and that was the last thing that I had to talk about. A lot of skincare in this video, but a lot of skincare that I would actually pick up and I'm probably going to pick up. That might be the wave that I'm seeing for 2022. Brands are gonna start focusing on skincare, on body care, on fragrances, stuff like that. Like the makeup launches are slowing down. The creativity has slowed down with makeup launches. So we'll see. Let me know in the comments down below, out of this stuff, what you would pick up. If you have picked any of it up, where you see this industry, where you see these brands moving in the new year, what you want them to start putting out. Let me know all of that down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.